Our project is designing a state industrial access roadway for Denso Manufacturing in Maryville, Tennessee. Denso is expanding and plans to add 1,000 jobs to the Maryville area, so they applied for the SIA program through TDOT to have TDOT design and help fund the roadway to serve their expansion. Lucky for us, there was already a roadway in the area with Clydesdale Street coming off of Lamar Alexander Boulevard that we could use and extend on to Mount Tabor Road to serve the new expansion. A main thing we looked for in this design was to try to reduce the amount of right-of-way acquired or needed to be acquired because of future plans for Denso to expand even more. All of the dimensions for the vertical and horizontal curves, as well as the alignment and roadway dimensions for the project, were determined using TDOT standards and using traffic data supplied by TDOT.
Hello, my name is Matt Carson, and I was responsible for the water resources portion of this project. My main responsibilities included performing hydrological calculations and sizing culverts. I would say that this experience has improved my communication skills with clients, and I'm grateful for that.
Again, and for this last reflective assignment, there are some points I would like to address. Firstly, a challenging aspect of the design for me was looking at USDA's soil survey and really understanding what information I had to work with, and then putting it all together into one design conclusion. And at times it seemed overwhelming with all the data I had to work with. And a positive outcome for me was getting the experience of dealing with a real-world problem and being a part of the design and seeing all the work involved with making these projects a reality.
Hello, everyone. My name is Charlie Mubarak, and I was responsible for the construction cost estimating of this project. So I essentially determined all the materials that were needed for the project. I determined the average unit prices for each of the materials, and based on the design that we had done, I was able to calculate the quantities of each material that was needed, and based on that information, I was able to determine the total cost estimate.
A positive note for our client about this project is our design was able to avoid acquiring more right-of-way than needed of the current property owners. A positive note I took about working on this project is I was able to take a difficult situation with my team members, and we learned how to prevail and work as a team and create an end goal. As I reflect back on my time in senior design, I've realized that there were some challenging aspects of creating a project with a new team of people you don't know.